Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to access Web3 on Bitget application. Bitget Web3 is the ultimate Web3 multi-chain wallet that connects you to a platform that gives security. To access Web3 on Bitget application, first open your Bitget application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on the 9 dots on the top left corner. With that, on the popular option you can see the option of Web3. Tap on Web3 option. Now here you'll be directed to Bitget Web3 section. Now here, once view through Bitget Web3 user agreement, then tap on the box stating that you agree to those agreement. Then click on import wallet option. With that, your data will be fetched and imported and you'll be able to access Web3 on Bitget application. As you can see here, my Web3 wallet has been on. With Bitget Web3, you no longer need to store private keys on yourself. The platform offers exchange level security protection, safeguarding users' crypto assets and allowing users to experience Web3. So this is how we can access Web3 on Bitget application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.